Ensure your building is up to code by installing 1000 bulbs, emergency light fixtures, and exit signs from PLT Solutions as part of new construction, renovations, or to just replace old units. Required as part of local and state safety codes, these fixtures mark building exits and provide adequate lighting during an emergency or power failure. The LED exit sign from PLT Solutions can be used over any emergency exit. It can be installed as a single or double face fixture using the included faceplates. The letter color can be changed as needed using the red and green lenses and selectable colored LED bulbs. This fixture contains a 1.2 NiMH battery, operates on dual voltage, and has a universal J-box pattern for easy installation. Twin head LED emergency lights can be used anywhere where emergency lighting is needed. Fixtures with round adjustable LED lamp heads feature universal voltage, while fixtures with square adjustable lamp heads have dual voltage. Both emergency fixtures have a 3.6 volt NiMH backup battery and also have a universal J-box pattern. For areas where you need both an exit sign and emergency light, PLT Solutions offers a combination exit sign. Featuring removable faceplates that allow for single or double face use, this combo fixture has two round LED adjustable lamp heads on either end of the fixture that provide emergency lighting. The lettering color can be changed from red to green using lenses. Containing a 3.6 NiMH battery, this fixture has a universal J-box pattern and uses universal voltage. All of these fixtures operate up to 90 minutes when the power fails and take 24 hours to recharge. Made with a flame retardant thermoplastic that are UL rated for damp locations and come with a built-in test switch and charge indicator light. Find these and more emergency lighting by visiting 1000bulbs.com. If you have any questions or would like to make a purchase, give one of our knowledgeable lighting experts a call at 1-800-624-4488 or visit us at 1000bulbs.com. Don't forget to click the like button if this is valuable for you. And for more lighting product spotlights, tips, and education, please hit that subscribe button too. You can even turn on notifications by clicking the bell so you'll know exactly when we upload new content.